Hi kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode I will show you why I sold the market yesterday at 29,503. I have my take profit at 27,463. I will show you exactly what I see right now on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, but I also want to show you something new that I do have started trading with me. So I'm gonna start to have some backtesting sessions together with you guys that I will go through a couple of hours. Yesterday we had the first one at 2 hours and 9 minutes. If you just scroll down, I did have 2 other sessions too, but the session that I did have yesterday was strictly about backtesting together with me, and everything is for free, guys. So you should definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I study. I close the chat, I focus on the charts, and I just tell you exactly what I see. I have so many years behind me with backtesting, so don't miss this, guys. And with all of these backtesting, that's why I sold the market at 29,503, because the knowledge that you have, you will put it in the chart and then you will be profitable. Don't forget that I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see right now on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. I want to start with showing off the trade that I'm inside right now on Bybit on Bitcoin, and I sold the market yesterday with market execution at 29,503. So it was on this candlestick that I sold the market. I was in a little bit of drawdown, but then now the market is below my entry. My take profit is 27,463. So I do expect the market to pull back down to these levels. So with a little bit of patience, I will show you why I do believe that we can come up a little bit more and then see the market reverse back down. Don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,050 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it somewhere here in the corner. You are supporting me in Bitcoinsensus by doing that. I love Bybit because I can hold my position for a longer time with low fees, and that is why this platform is so good. If we zoom into what's actually happening right now on Bitcoin, we saw the market break the support trend line, so we can directly go into the lower time frames. The market has been going sideways. It's just been consolidation market back and forth, but yesterday we actually did break the previous higher low that we did have around, let's see, we have this one and this low, so around 29,497 and also 29,350. Market broke it. You saw the market close below. We came back up and retested exactly the support trend line. You saw the market close below again, 1 2 3 wicks that tried to break inside of it again, but we did close below. So one thing that can happen right now is that if we drag the Fibonacci, just adjust it a little bit now, because we can see that the market just might pull back up a little bit. So I'm going to drag the Fibonacci back up to 29,803 and also to this little low that we do have at 28,860. If we go down to the lower time frames, this could be where, and you can also see right now that we are at a support. So the market found a support at 28,760. You can also see that we do have this inverted hammer, which tells us that we could possibly come back up and retest 29,327 and potentially 29,440 for then see the market break to the downside. But we can also do another thing. If we only see a small pullback, we're just gonna adjust it back to this little resistance that we do have at 29,546, and we're still gonna have this low exactly. So we just might also first of all see the market pull back up and retest 29,163, potentially 29,260 also, and then you see the break to the downside, because we did break the support trend line, and this was the support trend line that showed us the pullback, and the pullback is obviously to the upside because the overall trend is to the downside, right? So you could see the market created a lower low, market creates higher low until we actually break it, retest, and that could be the beginning of the new impulsive move. I do expect the market to come back down to this wick first of all at 25,263, and this was also something that I did talk about yesterday on Bitcoinsensus Telegram, is that if we are closing the candlestick on the daily below the support trend line, I told you that I did expect the market to be bearish, and this is exactly what is happening at the moment. We did break the support, market just might need to come back up. I still believe that whatever the market is supposed to do, even if we just might also come back up and retest this resistance at 28,985, I still believe that we will only have a quick pullback to either these levels that I spoke about, and then I do believe that the push to the downside will happen. Ethereum, if we're just zooming out to see what we're looking at, we did break this previous support if we go back in time at 1,880, around that level. And you can also see that this was a previous support that we also did see the market bounce in between. So if we go down to the lower time frames, we are still below this resistance trend line, which means that we just might see the market pull back up to that level also for a quick retest, and then see the potential break to the downside. So another thing that we can do is that either we take the Fibonacci first of all from this high at from 1,860 to the low to the support you can see at 1,760. We could potentially see a pullback up to 1,808 or maybe 1,820. Quick pullback, also retest this previous lower low. Market creates a lower high against that level, and then you can see the continuation. If we see that the market gives us a little bit more of a pullback, we just might also come back up and retest 1,850 and 1,870, and that is also combined with this previous support that we did break. So you just might see the market pull back up to these levels, also retesting the resistance trend line combined with the support, combined with the Fibonacci, and then I see the market definitely continue back down. If that is the case, target 1 will be 1,716, take profit 2 1,618, and take profit 3 at 1,530. So I definitely believe that we will have a push down, but if we would see the market break to the upside, if we would see from nowhere that we would close above 1,910 with a bullish candlestick, that could be us the market take us back up to 2,120, and from these levels we just have to wait and see, will we break this previous resistance, turn it into support, and then maybe see more momentum to the upside, or maybe we just will come back up to these levels for just another retest and then see the drop. So but first of all, whatever can happen around these levels, we actually don't care about that right now, because that's not where we are. We need to focus on what's actually happening here with the technical tools that I just showed you. Thank you so much guys for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live or do have my daily updates. Like this video, comment below if you did enjoy it, and I also want to remind you that every week from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Swedish time, 1 hour before London session opens, I do have my morning live streams. So we just look at the charts together, see the setups. Even though I'm no financial advisor, I just want to share my thoughts with you, because I think it's really important for us to understand what could happen during the day with all of these different levels. And I've also started with a new thing that I do some back testing together with you guys. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you could see that yesterday live study Become a Master Trader with me, pen, paper, focus, brain. So yesterday we had a lovely back testing session together where in the beginning I just went through Bitcoin and Ethereum to have the overview what happened during the day and what possibly could happen. But then we went into the charts and we just back tested it together. I closed the chat just because I want you to focus while I also focus, because I love to study. I love trading so much, and I want you to be part of that too, because I know there's so many people that need the help. And I was just thinking, you know what, why not share the knowledge that I have since these 4 to 5 years that I've been back testing the market every single day. And I know it's hard, so I just want you to be part of that. So don't forget that during nighttime Swedish time, we usually have the back testing sessions together. So share this YouTube channel to every friend that you have or someone that you know want to learn how to trade, because I show you exactly what I see, and you got so many good things from my channel that you can bring to your own charts and just make magic of whatever you already got combined with what I see. So I hope to see you on next live stream, and please don't forget to like the video. Have a good day. Mwah, from Sweden.